Hey guys, Netherite Dev here. Welcome back to another video. This is devlog number 2 of my game, Infinite Obby Simulator. Again, these devlogs aren't edited. It's purely to show my progress. I know it's been a little bit over a month since the last one, but I've been kind of busy with school. But now I have time. It's summer now. I should be able to get to doing this every month. I've made a bit of progress this month, I feel like, but not as much as I would like to. So to start off with changes, the first one is I added a chest to the VIP area, which I'll get to in a little bit. Also, I hired somebody. Actually, this was here last episode too, but I hired somebody to make an obby race. They're almost finished with it. Anyway, let me go ahead and reset. Yeah, I need to reset some of my data real quick, so I'm just gonna pause it. Okay, I've reset all the data I needed to reset. So if we go ahead and click play. So the first change you'll notice is I've added a loading screen to the game. So we technically don't need this loading screen. It does work. All it does is preload the assets. So like it's gonna load in textures or whatever. So it's loaded in already, and it doesn't need to load in later. You can see how many assets there are and what asset it's loading right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and skip it. And then you're going to see this menu screen that I also added. There's this little thing down here that puts text. I added some strings and it displays them randomly. And I also added some cutscenes that you can see in the background. You can click credits, and it's just a big shout out to myself right now because there's nothing for me to really put there at the moment. And then there's nice little animations as well. You can click play. And we're in. So I've also added two new little tags here. So you can see we have a beta tester icon and a dev icon to show that I'm a beta tester of this game and a dev, or alpha tester, I mean. I'm opening this game to alpha testing right after this video releases. People in my Discord server were able to apply. Applications are closed right now, but they might reopen soon, so be sure to join the Discord for more info on that. You can see we keep getting this obby race starting pop-up. I'm going to click no because nothing happens yet. And you can see this chest over here that I mentioned earlier. It gives you it's slightly more overpowered than this chest over here. And also over here I have added a feedback system, which I think is pretty cool. You can only send feedback once per update. So every update you can send feedback. So you can say, I love the new cats, or whatever, and click submit. Oh, I forgot to select the rating. Okay, so you can choose whether you like the game or dislike the game, obviously. I'm going to say like the game because it's my game. And then you click submit. Feedback gets sent, and I get the information straight to this little gilded server I made. You see it says feedback by me, and it says Netherite Dev likes the game, and it shows my feedback. I love the new cats. So it works. Then after that, you can see this thing disappears, and it's not going to come back until the game updates again. Also new, I added a Sightings feature, so you can turn off the shadows for all the objects, and turn them back on again. You can turn off the lighting effects. So this is how the game looks without the lighting effects. And then you can turn them on, of course. And you can set the timing to night, day, night, day, night, day, night, day, whatever. Missions were already here, but go ahead and claim these. Okay. And then... oh yeah, this right here. This is the biggest change. So this here is the new Obby type feature. So basically, this is a new form of progression in the game. So if you saw last episode, basically you just beat Obbies. There's no progression to the game. But now by beating Obbies, you unlock more different unique Obbies you can beat. So if I were to play right now, I'm going to get the basic Obby. Oh, and also another change is I've made the base plate visible, or it's transparent, but it's visible now, so you can see the base plate still. Now you can see the base plate. I thought it looked nicer that way. Also, okay, back to this. So right now you can see I generated a basic level, right? So this is the default levels. This isn't a special type or anything. It's just normal levels that I can't beat because apparently I suck. I'm gonna beat it because why not? Okay. But you can unlock these new obby types. So when you beat 10 obbies, you unlock the forest level. So you can claim that. And, oh, I actually got one. Wait, what? Okay, I think that might be a bug because I don't have it owned yet. That might be a bug. Okay. But you can see that there's this forest level. It's forest themed, obviously, because it's a forest level. And it has special, unique forest-themed obbies. I believe my goal is... let me see, I wrote this down. So you can see the new forest levels. There's not that many right now. And there's none for the desert at the moment. That needs to be worked on. But for every theme, there's going to be 25 different levels. So 25 forest levels, 25 desert levels, so on. There's going to be 11 common levels, 7 uncommon levels, 4 rare levels, 2 epic levels, and 1 legendary level. Let me get this. Okay. So my planned themes are normal, forest, desert, Iceland, school, ocean, cave, sky, biohazard, and space. They may change, and so yeah, they may definitely change, and I'm probably not going to finish all of them before release. So before release, I plan on having at least 4 different themes, and I can add on with future updates. Alright, and I'm not going to claim this because there's nothing in the desert. There's no desert levels yet. Okay, and that might be it. Wait, let me think. I feel like I'm missing something, but I'm probably not. Yeah, I don't think there's any changes. Okay. Yeah, that is pretty much it, I believe. Yeah, that's it. There's also some, actually, there are some infinite mode generation changes. So, oh God, I can't see. This is horrible. Oh, it's not it, actually. This is definitely not it. Okay, so now you can generate forest levels in infinite mode as well. So you can get forest levels. I don't see any at the moment, but you can indeed get them. Here, let me turn on. Just to show you guys, in case you guys don't believe me. You can see some of the forest levels over here. But anyway, what I was forgetting is I added some new Obby skins. I think I added a new game pass. Yeah, it's a new can't talk. It's a new custom themes game pass. So basically, as you can see it here too. Where is it? Custom themes right here. So basically, you can create your own Obby skins. So you can click on trust part. You can pick a color for it. Update that. Kill part, you want it this color. Regular part, maybe you want it this color. Disappearing parts, maybe you want it that color. Alright. You click save. And next time you generate a level, it should have those special Obby skins that you chose. So once I beat this level here, if I can ever beat it, because apparently I suck. Okay, so once I beat this level, you can see we get a new level generated with our, oops, wait, what? Okay, I don't know what's happening here. Yeah, that's odd. Okay, I'll have to fix that. But you can see it generated with our colors that we chose, so that's pretty neat. Anyways, that is it for this update. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Probably didn't though, because it's unedited. I have some pretty cool videos coming soon, including a special one where I make a game in VR. That's coming pretty soon. I'm working on it. Also, I'm probably going to stream tomorrow, so be there if you want. Shout out to my beta testers who volunteered and are going to start today. They've been patiently waiting for me to open up the game. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.